Sitting in class and writing all your notes down is so last century. So let's look at this product. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew. Today we're going to be taking a look at the BOYA Notra right here, which is an AI transcriber and note taker. This thing will listen to 140 plus different languages, take all your notes down, capture the audio, and even do the research for you. But as you know, in every episode of Get Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Welcome back to Get Tech Cheap. Today we're looking at the BOYA Notra right here, which is an AI note taker for Ambience phone and Bluetooth calls. Packaging, of course, looks fantastic, but I mean, it's BOYA, so of course it's gonna. But let's open it up and check it out. One of the first things you see in the box right here is a QR code you can scan for the app right here. It works on Android and Apple, so very, very cool. It's right there on top. Looks like we've got a user manual here, which is just gonna give us some additional information, safety and guidelines and everything you need to know, all the warnings, and it comes in multiple different languages, so nothing to worry about there. They've also got this quick start guide right here as well, which is just going to give you that information on initial setup and how to jump right in and get to using your Notra. We've got a USB-C to C, but also look at this, guys. We got a C to A plug right here, a little converter, and that's included. That's super, super awesome right there. So nothing to worry about, multiple ways to charge. We've got a little magnet right here too, and this looks like you can either put it on the back of the Notra or on a phone so that you can magnetize it to the device. So super cool that they do include the little magnet ring. And the reason you're here, look at it, it's so awesome. And if you notice on the back, there is already a magnetic ring on there, so you will be able to do that and just magnetize it in right there. So put that magnet on a phone or something and then boom, there you go. So back to the device. This thing is gorgeous. Look at it. It's just so beautiful. And you'll notice on the sides and everything, we've got the little, looks to be like a microphone slot right there. We've got our USB-C port. Very, very cool. Looks like we've got some little rubber pads on the bottom, so you'll be able to sit it flat on a desk and hopefully it will not slide or anything. Looks like we've got a switch right here too to switch it from what looks to be like capturing the room to doing the ambience to doing your phone. So that is super cool that you'll have options right there. Boop. Wow. Very nice. And we've got this little pill sticker. Haha, done and done. And this right here looks to be our button, so we should be able to just hold it down and power it up. And I felt it vibrate, so it should be on. Very, very nice. Well, let's go ahead and get this set up and try it out. This is the BOYA Notra, the world's first AI note taker for Ambience phone and Bluetooth calls. In-person phone or Bluetooth calls, BOYA Notra captures it all. The world's only AI note taker designed for every conversation. It transcribes in 140 plus languages and instantly generates summaries, to-dos, and mind maps. Then magnetic with a 64 gigabyte storage so you can revolutionize your productivity. Currently, if you act quickly, you can pick this up on the early bird price for a $127.50, with the original price being about $149. So make sure you go ahead and act quick because that will end on February 5th. Some of the key features are with recording modes, you're going to get Ambience plus calls plus Bluetooth. With AI transcription, you're going to get 140 plus languages with 60 plus templates. Recording distance is going to be up to 10 meters at crystal clear quality. Privacy and security, you get AWS Enterprise Grade. For storage solutions, you're going to get 64 gigabytes plus unlimited free cloud data. And when it comes to the design innovation, this thing is magnetic, plus it includes a USB-C port. And for the battery performance, this thing can last 24 hours on active use and 365 days on standby use. BOYA Notra records with clarity and works with the world's top AI models, that's ChatGPT, Grok, Gemini, and Claude, to deliver real-time transcription, smart summaries, and instant answers, all protected by SOC 2, HIPAA, and EN 18031. With 2 premium MEMS mics, AI noise cancellation, and a 10-meter pickup range, your ideas are always captured clearly and securely. So let's think about business collaborations. You can use this for sales or customer service or remote teams or investors. It's going to be perfect for lawyers, consultants, managers, accountants, financial advisors, and more. When it comes to learning and development, classroom lectures, so students and lifelong learners, and brainstorming sessions. That's right, creative teams, entrepreneurs, product managers, and researchers are going to benefit. For professional services, let's just think of something like patient rounds and consultations, so doctors, nurses, healthcare professionals, and of course, content and research. So let's say you're interviewing people. Well, guess what? Journalists, researchers, UX designers, hybrid professionals, they're going to benefit. And for content creation, this thing is going to be perfect for someone ideating like a content creator, writers, podcasts, and bloggers. And because it can transcribe in 140 plus languages, you're not going to be felt like you're just caught off guard. This thing's got your back. So I gotta say, right now guys, I'm recording this on a BOYA microphone. And now that BOYA stepped up with the Notra, wow, the future's looking bright. Great job. As you know, we worked with BOYA in the past and they're just phenomenal. It's so awesome to see such clarity from them because they do microphones, they do lavaliers, and those things are just so crisp and so nice. And the fact that a lot of that technology is put in the Notra is just so great. This thing is genius. So we want to give a huge shout out to BOYA for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew and you've been watching Good Take Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!